Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Blackbox AI. So as you can see, I have Blackbox AI open here on my website or my browser. So you can use any browser of your choice. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser that you want. So right here, just type into the search bar here, blackbox.ai. So from here, there's a lot of things that you can do. So basically, this is just ChatGPT, like ChatGPT. You can just ask what time or what date did World War II end? So World War II ended on September 2, 1945 when Japan formally surrendered, marking the conclusion on the conflict. So yeah, it's basically just ChatGPT and Grok, and you can also compare the answers from them. And right here in Outbuilder, it will actually help you create apps. Also here in Deep Research, but you will need to log in with that. You can also Think, which is Blackbox will help you brainstorm ideas or image generation. You can just enter in a prompt, and then for example, you're just gonna say generate me an image of a man walking, and then you'll wait for a bit, and it will render an image of a man walking. You can also upload files here to help you analyze certain pieces of information. Also here on multi-panel, you can do right here. Multi-panel is located here, if you're wondering. And basically what this does is just you can select up to 3 times. So you can do what time did World War II end, or what date, and then when was the Great Wall of China created, and then how fast is Mercedes-Benz, blah blah blah, or what questions would you like to ask. And yeah, that is basically it. Blackbox AI is pretty easy to use. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.